Create this drink poster design in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on Custom Size and take 1080 by 1080 pixels. First, change the background color to green. Subscribe to my channel and check the description box for the color code and other resources. Go to Elements and add a shape and change the color to white. Duplicate this shape and change the color to green-white gradient. Upload the product image. Remove the background and adjust the size and position. Go to Elements and add a shadow. Go to the position and send it backward. Add a lemon image. Go to Edit and apply the fresco filter. Now add a lemon slice. Click on Erase and remove the back slice. Go to Edit, then apply the fresco filter and make it 30% blur. Rotate it and change the position. Duplicate this. Go back to the elements and add a glow. Change the color to green and yellow. Add a text. Change the font to Anton and make it uppercase and color to white. Again, add a text. Change the font to Brittany. Change the color to vibrant yellow. Now add a leaf. Change the position to forward. Go to Edit and apply the fresco filter. Adjust the brightness to 30 and make it 30% blur. Go to the position and drag the product image above all. Adjust the other element's position. Again to position and drag the glow under the lemon. Here is the final version. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check the description box for the template. Thank you.